Good morning and happy Friday, sixth grade. It is Friday or Friday, um, April the 3rd. Let's get through this really quickly so you can get started. So, today's objectives, you can see them here. Pause them if you need to read through them. Really, today is all about, just like our monkey in the classroom, today is all about all the assignments that we've been working on throughout this week, and they are due today. So, please make sure that as you complete them, you are turning them in on Google Classroom. That to me signifies and tells me, Miss Garcia, I've completed this and I'm ready for you to grade it. Okay. If it's not turned in, I'm not going to grade it, and therefore it's a missing assignment in the grade book. Okay. So make sure your planner's filled out with all the assignments for today. The innovation articles, which I'll talk about in just a second, you're working on article number 5. I know that there's like 7 or 8 articles, but make sure that you at least read through 5 of them this week. All right, reading response is due today. So if you chose to do the paper version instead of the digital version, I need you to, and you can see it highlighted here at the bottom, to take a photo, the front and the back of the reading response, and snip the photo into the Google Doc that is in the reading section of our Google Classroom. So take a picture, snip it into the Google Doc, and I will take that and grade it. Make sure, please try your best to get a decent photo so that I can read them. If not, then of course you have it all typed up. If you use the digital version, then you should have it all typed up on the digital version in the reading section. All right, ReadWorks Innovation Article Set. Today you are working on article number 5, whatever article that might be. You have had the choice throughout this week to pick your articles. So out of the 7 or 8 that are on there, make sure that you at least have read 5 throughout this week. Okay, today in math is Prodigy. So Prodigy is continue to working with the area formulas from Unit 4. More specifically, the triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. So make sure that you are plugging and chugging. Make sure you have your ISN handy so that you can reference those area formulas. Because really, it's all about, as long as you know what shape it is, you find the area formula in your notebook, you plug in the numbers that they give you, and you solve it. Follow PEMDAS order of operations. All right. And also due today is your ancient China and ancient whatever other civilization of your choice comparison essay. Please make sure you go over it, you revise it, you edit it before you turn it in. I would hate for your convention score to get severely diminished because you did not revise and edit your essay. Okay. Long Walk to Water, your novel engineering project. Remember to include at least one simple machine from the Google Slides in the science section. And please make sure that you are, sorry, Miss McLean just waved goodbye to me from outside. Okay. And make sure that you are finishing up your prototype today, because on Monday, you are going to reflect on this project. So it's going to be easier for you to reflect if you complete the prototype today, and any adjustments that you might need. Make sure that you snap a photo of it as well, as we're going to want to see those soon as well. And if you do not finish your project today, then you've just given yourself weekend homework. Okay. Really, with any of the assignments, any of them that you haven't completed, you've given yourself weekend homework for that. All right. And lastly, as it is Friday, please, band members, the 6 of you, make sure that you check out Mr. Dean's Google Classroom. I haven't gotten any emails from you guys about needing the access code, but if you do need it, make sure you email me and I'll make sure to give you that code right away. Okay. May dues are below. Closure question. We'll post again about 10 a.m. today. So make sure that you take a look at those closure questions that I have, and you respond, because they are 5 points each and they all add up. Alrighty, check out this morning's Flipgrid if you haven't already, and make sure to stay safe and stay healthy. And I miss you every day, and I can't wait to see you again. And have a wonderful Friday and a great and safe weekend. All right, guys, bye.